Hey guys, Lisa Callaghy here to show you how to create your individualized feedback to your students in FlipGrid when your students log in with their Google accounts. I'm also going to show you how students would receive and view that individualized feedback. Okay, so let's get started. So if you notice, I'm here on my FlipGrid page. And underneath, I have one topic. This is all familiar to you. Clicking on your topic to see your students' video feedback. So I have, oh, look, it's Lisa C. She responded. So I'm going to click on her response, and I have her video here. Here is where I'm able to see her video response. But now, with students logging in with their Google accounts, teachers can utilize the video feedback feature that is on the right-hand side of this window. So now I'm going to click here and show you what happens when a teacher is providing feedback. The window opens and the teacher will provide feedback via video. Clicking on the video camera. Hey, Lisa C., what a great job you did. I'm so glad that you shared your most interesting thing about yourself. Wondering how you feel about a mouse and a cat getting along. Okay, so now it's going to replay the video for you, and then you have to take your selfie. Let's see, trying to get my thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, and then I click on next. Okay, so my video has been saved and my student will be able to see that video.
Hi, everybody.
Let me just close that. Stop that. Also, you'll notice here you have the ability to choose a grading rubric. So these will also be viewable to your students. So if you want to grade your students' work using the rubrics, and also you have the ability to change these rubrics, what you're actually grading. It doesn't necessarily have to be ideas or performance, and that you can edit in your topic. When you're editing your topic, you can change that. And then you can also provide some feedback to your student. I would like you to write a paragraph explaining, your ideas. Like, need to learn this spell. Okay, so once that's all finished, all I have to do is close this window. So now my student will be able to get and see my feedback. The only difference is now students will have to log in to their feedback page. And to do that, they're going to have to click on a icon that is now in ClassLink. So this ClassLink icon will be put on the desktop of all the students who will be logging in using their Google accounts. And this icon looks like this. It's called FlipGrid Student Feedback, because the student feedback, individualized feedback from teachers, goes to a different page. The page is my.flipgrid.com, but John Escalera was so kind enough to create this tile for us on our dashboard that would automatically bring students to that page. Once they come to that page, they have to log in using their Google account again. Notice that mine just opened up because I was already in my regular FlipGrid account. And here is where your students will see all of the video feedback. Under the feedback column, they can click on View. What it's going to show is actually their feedback, their initial video to the teacher. And underneath, you'll see the educator feedback here, the video, as well as your rubric, the performance levels of your students, and any comment. And if you click on Watch Video Feedback, it's going to open up and show you the video feedback that the teacher provides. as well as also the rubric scores and any comments here on this page. Okay, guys, so hope you enjoyed this video on how to give your students individualized feedback in FlipGrid once they log in with their Google accounts. Have a great day. Stay safe.